Hello everyone, welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. Please watch this video to the end, and if you like it, then like it, subscribe to the channel and put a bell so as not to miss the next video. Today we will talk about the Cardano cryptocurrency, analyze the latest news, and also see how it manifests itself and what will happen to it in the future. Begin. Write your assumptions in the comments about what will happen to the Cardano cryptocurrency in the near future. Cryptocurrencies are growing steadily from their lows at the end of June. For 6 weeks now, Bitcoin and Ether have been forming a series of rising highs, during which both currencies have returned to May levels. Cardano, which ranks third on the cryptocurrency charts, traded at $2.40 per token in mid-May. After falling to the July low of $1.12, the currency has rebounded and most recently rewrote the mid-May highs. The rise of Cardano could be a sign of impending changes in the digital currency market. Cardano is an open-source, decentralized blockchain platform. Management is carried out using the Ownership Confirmation Protocol. Ada hit a new all-time high above $3 per token on September 2nd. Proof-of-stake protocol randomly distributes tokens to users who deposit them as collateral. Unlike Cardano, Bitcoin and Ether rely on proof-of-work, which means transactions require access to the global computer network. Proof of ownership, meanwhile, is a greener alternative as it requires much less computing power. Cardano has a clear edge over BTC and ETH in the eyes of environmentalists. Some cryptanalysts believe that Cardano could squeeze out Bitcoin and Ether in the coming years. The prospect of fabulous profits from trading a token that costs less than $3 could attract speculators. As with other cryptocurrencies, invest no more than you are willing to lose, as high volatility remains the hallmark of this market. Ada has gained critical mass and provides ample liquidity. However, the possibility of aggressive price swings will always present an accompanying risk. And so, on the night of September 13th, the Alonzo update was successfully integrated into the main Cardano network. Against the background of the project update, the price of Cardano has decreased by 13% over the past day. The developers warned users that the first decentralized applications on the Cardano network could be problematic and insecure. The Alonzo hard fork is the final part of the Goguen era, which aims to create an ecosystem of decentralized applications on the Cardano blockchain. According to the developer roadmap, Goguen is the third era of 5 planned. The head of the Cardano Foundation, Frédéric Grigard, published a project development strategy for the next 5 years in July this year. Grigard said that as early as 2026, 3 Fortune 500 companies will start using the Cardano cryptocurrency, and the Cardano Foundation will partner with about 50 banks. Also, in the next 5 years, developers predict an increase in users of the Cardano ecosystem to 1 million people. Grigard noted that the nonprofit organization is now actively working on launching a registry of native tokens for the Cardano registry platform and creating services for developers. In the long term, Cardano has the potential to rise in price by 3 to 5 times, says Nikita Soshnikov, director of the AlphaCash cryptocurrency exchange service. In his opinion, after the launch of smart contracts on the Cardano blockchain, the network will gradually begin to replenish with DeFi projects, which in turn will open the door for a powerful flow of liquidity. If we take into account only the updates of the Cardano network itself, then their potential is quite enough for the cryptocurrency to rise in price to $6, Soshnikov predicted. Provided that investors remain interested in Cardano, the asset may rise in price to $7-8 by the end of this year, says Artem Dev, head of the analytical department at A Markets. In his opinion, this is a very likely scenario, since Cardano is one of the most technically advanced projects on the market. Whether you invest in Cardano and what do you think will happen to this coin in a week or a month, write your opinion about it in the comments.